The Osmo Pocket and the Osmo Action. Can I use either camera for vlogging? Can they get good internal audio? We're going to test it out in the video coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Brick Aramello at brickaramello.com. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna get right into the video. I really wanted to compare these two because I'm going to the Grand Cayman Island in less than 24 hours. So I'm kind of making a last minute decision, wanted to get your feedback. If I should bring these guys, should I use it for vlogging? Should I just use my normal DSLR camera? Or should I go with one of these guys? So I do greatly appreciate your comments below about what you think of this internal audio. Is it worth it? And just so you know, I already tested this mic adapter, the DJI mic adapter with the Osmo Pocket. It works fine, but it doesn't work with the Osmo Action. So it wouldn't be a fair test. Also, a lot of people, when you run and gun, you just want to carry around these two guys. You don't want to carry around your phone. You want to carry around another mic. I want to travel light. So if you're like me, I think this comparison will be helpful. All right, so we're going to start with the Osmo Pocket. And we're going to start indoors, and then we're going to go outside, and then we're going to do a wrap up. So here we go. And now I'm just recording normal, just recording with the Osmo Pocket. This is the audio from the Osmo Pocket. Okay, I have it about a foot away from me. I have a wide angle lens that you're watching right now, so sometimes it's deceiving on how the length of how far the Pocket is away from me, but I'll let you know it's about a foot right now. Now I'm holding it about 2 feet away. Okay, that's 2 feet away. If I'm vlogging, I could do something like this. Okay, I'm 2 feet away. And how does the audio sound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me bring it closer. All right, I think this range with Osmo Pocket is pretty good. This is about 1.5 feet because I get kind of like my whole head, shoulders, good height to get, you know, the background, but not too much. Because if you hold it too close, about a foot away, it's really, you kind of just get the face. So I'm going to hold it where I normally hold it here with vlogging. And how does this sound? How does this audio sound? Just moving it around. How does it sound? Okay, now we're going to move on to the Osmo Action. One thing I like about the Osmo Action is the voice control. Switch to the front. Switch to the front. Switch screens. Oh, there we go. All right, so now we're going to start recording. By the way, I have everything on auto. Okay, so everything is straight out of factory. The noise reduction is on with the Osmo Pocket, but everything else is auto because it's kind of a pain in the butt to change the levels in the Mimo app and all that. So we're not dealing with the Mimo app. We're not dealing with the phone. We're just going auto here, and we're seeing how it is right out of the camera. Now I'm holding the Osmo Action. I'm about a foot away. This is the Osmo Action. Actually, a foot away, it looks great. The Osmo Action is wider than the Osmo Pocket, so you can hold it if you're vlogging. I can hold it right here. Yeah, it's only like a foot away, and it's perfect for vlogging, which is nice because if you hold your arm out too much, it gets tired. So you want to have your arm kind of bent. And I'm just holding the Osmo Action like a really good length, about a foot away. My arm's not getting tired. Now, if I moved it further back about 2 feet away, this is what the audio sounds like. So what do you think it sound? How does that sound? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're holding it 2 feet away. Now we're moving it in closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is probably where I'd vlog, right around here, around a foot, maybe a little more than a foot, maybe like 14 inches, 15 inches, something like that. And that's a pretty good length for vlogging. And how does the audio sound? All right, guys, so to make it a fair test, I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna do this test both in the park and I'm gonna try to go to the ocean or someplace windy. So I'm gonna go to a normal place and I'm gonna go to some place where there's a bunch of wind to see how these guys hold up outside and with some wind noise. So let's go do that right now. Actually, hold on. I think you can see it right here, the Osmo Action. As you can see, I'm holding it about a foot away. I think there is a little, I don't know if you can see it, moving it down right here. There's a little cat right there. I think it's a wild cat. Hopefully it won't attack me. Just seeing how this sounds, right? If I'm vlogging, I'm just walking around. Wow, that cat is giving me a weird look. Or maybe it's just tired. I don't know. Check out this cat right there. You guys see it? I don't know. It looks small on my screen. It's only a few feet away. Anyway, just walking around. And I'm just talking normal. So this is me just talking normal, just walking around. And look at that cat. Oh, the cat's moving around. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Oh, the cat's come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. We're gonna have a friend in our vlog. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you're nice. Come here, kitty. Yeah, you're a nice kitty. Come here. Yeah. I think cats like that. You rub them right there. Alright guys, so how do you think it sounds? Does it sound pretty good? Is this audio pretty good? I didn't think I would be petting a wild cat in the middle of the woods. Oh, I guess because I said wild, it ran away. The Osmo Action seems to be good for vlogging because I'm only holding it about a foot away. So we're gonna switch to the Osmo Pocket right now. All right guys, so this is me holding the Osmo Pocket. I'm about a foot away, and about a foot away, it's a little too close, but if I hold it like 2 feet away, it's not too bad. It's just my arm is extended, so it gets kind of annoying walking like this. And you can see how it sounds. So holding it about a foot, foot and a half, and we're gonna add in the Osmo Action right now. We got both cameras. They're both about a foot away, maybe a little more than a foot away. I'm just walking right now with both cameras, and if I'm vlogging, this is how I'm gonna vlog, and we're just seeing how the audio is. Not really worried about the video too much, but just seeing if I can vlog, which one is better for vlogging, which one I get better audio. And the cat's right there still, and just walking, just testing out the audio. All right, how it sounds. And the cat's right there. You can see the cat. That cat's pretty funny. Hey, hey kitty. Hey kitty. Hey kitty. Hey kitty. Yeah, oh, it's rubbing against my butt. Where are you? What are you doing? Kitty's like, what the heck are you doing? All right, so let's go to the ocean right now. All right guys, I'm at the beach, and the audio is probably really bad right now because there's a lot of wind, but that's good for this test because I wanted to test it with wind. Got the Pocket, got the Action, and I'm gonna keep them relatively close to me. So I'm gonna keep it right here. Yeah, it's about a foot away, say a foot away. All right, so let's start recording. We'll say the Osmo Action just looks better. It looks like it has more dynamic range between the bright areas and the shadows and the highlights. It just looks like it has more dynamic range. Everything looks better on the Osmo Action, at least on the screen. But you know, screens can be deceiving. The screen's also a little bigger next to the Pocket. You can see the screens right there side by side, the size of them. We're just talking, now I'm talking. We're gonna do the audio of the Osmo Pocket and just see how that sounds, all right? Osmo Pocket. And now we're gonna switch over to the Osmo Action. How does that sound? Osmo Action. And we're gonna see how that sounds. Just talking normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm switching between the two, and we're just seeing how that sounds. All right, obviously it's real windy. I'm gonna bring it closer to me. This is really close. Now I'm gonna bring it really far away, as far as my arms can extend. Okay, I'm extending it all the way, moving it all the way out there. And I know what some of you guys are thinking. You're thinking, why don't I just use a lav mic? Well, how do you use a lav mic at the beach? You know, it's gonna get, and then going in the water, it's just not gonna be practical. So that's what I wanted to do with the internal mic and see how it works. The Osmo Pocket does have noise reduction. Okay, so this is the noise reduction, work with the Osmo Pocket. The Osmo Action, not really sure. So you'll be able to hear it now if it does have it. All right guys, that's it for this test. We're gonna go back and discuss it. Let's go check out my twin. I think he's over there. I think we can go check him out. Yeah, he's right here actually. Why don't you go check him out? All right guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. Give me your focus because I have some really valuable information that I learned from doing this test, and I think it can help you as well. So I was really surprised about a couple of things. One thing was that with the internal audio with the Osmo Pocket, it was a lot louder than the Osmo Action. So I actually had to raise both of those levels to make them usable in post. I say the Osmo Pocket was usable for post, But the Osmo Action, even though it sounded to me better than the Osmo Pocket, I had to raise the levels up much more in Premiere Pro when I was editing this video. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. For Osmo Pocket, I raised it up 1.7. Okay, so 1.7 decibels. And then for the Osmo Action, I had to raise it up 4.5 decibels. So I raised the Osmo Pocket 1.7, the Osmo Action 4.5. So it was a huge difference in the sound right out of the camera. So I also noticed something else, and I think you guys might have noticed this as well. If you did, leave in the comments. With the Osmo Pocket, there was kind of like a little bit of a hiss sound. It was like that low at the low end. It was kind of like a like this. And then with the Osmo Action, I didn't hear that as much, but because I had to bring up the level so high, I had all that background noise. So if you notice, when in the first part when I was walking the park, some kids were playing on the other side of that forest, and you could sort of hear them in the background. So I feel like if I raise the levels up too much, you're gonna have a lot of the background noise. So I'm sort of in a dilemma here. The Osmo Pocket I thought would be much better since it's been around for a long time, but the Osmo Action, I really like the sound of it. It's just too low. If it was just higher naturally out of the camera, I think that would be really good. But then again, I don't know. I'm not an audio expert, so I can't say that it will have the same hiss as the Osmo Pocket. What do you guys think? But I will say the field of view of the Osmo Action is great. The screen is great. Both of those are better for me than the Osmo Pocket. Okay, so for vlogging, just looking at it and just holding it up, not having to hold it so far like I did with the Pocket, the Action, I could hold it right here. I could see it more practical for vlogging. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta pack because I gotta go in a few hours to Grand Cayman Islands. So let me know. I'll try to do a bunch of videos down there for you guys. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys when I get back.